So, do you want to start your own hosting company but you are afraid of the complicated setups and the expensive budgets? Then reseller hosting got you covered. Now, what is reseller hosting? Reseller hosting means you get a hosting space from where you can sell it to your own clients. There are basically different admin panels from where you can get reseller hosting. First is cPanel web hosting, which is the most popular one. cPanel hosting lets you get WHM and cPanel. WHM is mainly the admin panel and cPanel is where your clients can access. From WHM you can generally manage it and like set up the accounts of your clients and manage everything related to your server, like what are the packages, how many memory to allocate to your clients. And cPanel is generally from where your client access, from where they can host their website, from where they can do everything what they want, like activating SSL, creating email. Now, there are other admin panel also except cPanel, which you can get. For example, direct admin, which is another popular one, which is similar to cPanel. You get one direct admin panel, which is similar to WHM, from where you can manage the package and generally manage everything related to what your clients can access and permissions to your client. And another is the direct admin web control panel, from where your clients can access and they can host their website. Now, what is the best company to get reseller hosting from? Have you ever heard about Bisup? Bisup is top leading company for reseller web hosting. Bisup offers reseller hosting which is starting from just rupees 600 per month. Now, what are the things that you expect when you are getting a web hosting reseller? Things you can expect is maybe a free SSL certificate to all of your clients, so that you don't have to buy a SSL certificate from anything externally. So you can expect a free SSL. You can get enough NVMe storage that is allocated to you, that you can distribute to your clients. For example, if you are allocated 100 GB web space, then you can allocate it to your different clients. Like you can give one 10 GB, you can give the other 15 GB, the other 25 GB. It's all depending upon you, how you set up your package, how you manage everything related to your client. And another you can expect is a free backup. Like imagine your data is lost and you are worried that how can you get your old data back, but you realize you are using a reseller hosting, then you can get a free backup. Now, another thing you can expect is unlimited bandwidth. Imagine your site is getting maybe 100,000 requests per minute and your website suddenly starts crashing and you are afraid that like what you can do, and you are afraid that your site is crashed and no more traffic, your website is getting slow. So what you can expect is an unlimited bandwidth, which allow you to manage unlimited traffics in your website. The another thing maybe you can expect is 24/7 support by your reseller hosting provider. Maybe you got an issue midnight, that you're facing some issue hosting a website, or you are facing some issue creating package, editing a package, then you can contact your hosting provider and you can get it fixed. Now, what did I all just say is all provided by Bisup. They offer a free SSL, 24/7 support, unlimited bandwidth, and memory space, and the NVMe storage space, all of your wish. Now, let's deep dive into the features of reseller hosting. First is the WHM panel. When you are getting a reseller hosting, you expect to get a WHM control panel, because WHM panel generally defines reseller hosting, because you get an admin panel from where you can resell and create new accounts, create new plans, and maybe you expect a WHM panel when you are getting a reseller hosting. The other thing you can expect is email hosting. Now, say you have a domain called abc.com and you want to create a mail, maybe mail@abc.com. Then what you can do is you can go to email account section in cPanel and you can create an email from which it may be a professional email from which you can log into cPanel, and you can use that email in your business. So make sure your hosting provider is providing email hosting, which is also given by Bisup. Now, another thing you can expect is white label. Now, imagine you are selling a cPanel account to your client, and there comes the URL and the logo of your parent company. That will not look great, right? So what you can do is you can go to your reseller hosting provider and ask them if they are giving white label hosting or not, because you definitely don't want to show your parents company logo and everything when you are selling it to your own clients. Now, another thing you expect is Softacular's one-click installer. What is Softacular's one-click installer? It's like a store in your cPanel from where you can install different plugins in your cPanel. For example, you want to host a WordPress website, so you can go to Softacular's one-click installer and install the WordPress plugin, which allows you to host a WordPress website in your cPanel. So before getting a reseller hosting plan, you must expect that you are getting a one-click installer so that there is no trouble to you and your clients while creating a website such as a WordPress website. Now, I told you all the features of reseller hosting. The question is, why should you choose Bisup? Now, Bisup is offering 24/7 support. For example, you got an issue in your reseller hosting in 3 a.m. midnight. So what do? You go to Bisup and contact them. They will reply you immediately and solve the issue. Another thing is affordable pricing. They are giving reseller hosting starting at just Nepali rupees 600 per month, which is very, very affordable in the context of reseller hosting, because when you see other companies, they are providing it in very non-affordable prices, like maybe $15 per month, maybe $20 per month. And yeah, that's very, very inconvenient as you are just a startup starting your own hosting company and you really cannot pay that much, right? Now, another thing why you should get Bisup's reseller hosting is the performance and regular updates. Bisup regularly adds new plugins in their cPanel. Maybe it's Jet Backup or other plugins. So you can generally get Bisup's reseller hosting and expect a performance and regular updates in your panel. Now, the other thing Bisup supports is trial and refund policy. You can get a 3 days free trial on reseller hosting, and if you are not satisfied, you can even get a 30 back money back guarantee. Now, it's not compulsory that you should be a startup to get reseller hosting. Maybe you are a freelancer who wants a hosting environment for your clients, but you are tired of getting new cPanels every day. So you can get a reseller hosting plan, get your own packages, get your own cPanel accounts, and resell the freelance service, and you can host it on reseller hosting plan. Or maybe you are just a student who is trying to earn a side income by getting a reseller hosting plan and maybe selling it to different clients and just earning a pocket money or a side income for you. So that's everything you need to know about reseller hosting and why Bisup's reseller hosting is a smart choice for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe this channel, and leave your thoughts in the comment section.